If you are facing any error, while start MySql Server, then click on config button, then click on my.ini file. After opening that file, press Ctrl F and type 3306, which is your default port ID. Then click enter. Now you can see 3306 showing which is your default port ID, and to change that port ID, click here. Then type your new port ID 3307 to change your default port ID to new port ID. Then click on replace all. Okay. After that, close this tab. Then save this file by pressing Ctrl S. Okay. After saving that file, close this tab and close all the tab. Then restart MySql. Now you can reopen Xampp. Check whether your server is starting properly or not. So type XMPP. Okay. Now click on start. Now you can see it's showing status change detected and running, and here your new port ID also showing. Previously, I showed you a step-by-step solution solve the problem of starting MySql Server. If that step is not working, then you can try the new one. Okay, then click on this PC. Now open your C drive. Here you can see a folder named XMPP. Now click on MySql folder. Here you can see a folder named data. First of all, you have to rename this folder to data old. After renaming this file, now select the folder named backup by pressing Ctrl C and paste it here by pressing Ctrl V. Okay. Now rename the copy file to data. Okay. Now open data old file. Here you can see many folders and files. From these file and folders, you have to select only those folders you have created previously. Okay. I mean data the folders you have created previously in your own. Here you can see I have created folder named college, education system, and seeree. Okay, you have to select these folders, and from these below files you have to select only one data file named ib data. Okay, you have to select only your own folders and a file named ib data. Make sure you did not select any other folders other than your own folders, like these folders showing your MySql performance schema and other these files. Don't select these files, only select your own data folders and the file named ib data. Okay, this is the most important file you have to copy. So copy these files by pressing Ctrl C, then go back and paste all these copied file the folder name data. So paste it here, Ctrl V. Then you see a pop-up box showing replace the file in the destination. Press enter. So all the copied file are pasted here. Now I hope your problem is solved. Now you can reopen Xampp, check whether your server is starting properly or not. So type XMPP. Okay. Now click on start. Now you can see it's showing status change detected and running, and here your new port ID also showing.